Welcome to Prestige Raintree Park, where life is curated for you. Experience a world-class 105,000 square foot clubhouse offering luxury and leisure. Relax and rejuvenate in one of our 3 stunning pools, including a heated pool. Enjoy the thrill of virtual cricket, where fun and competition meet. Find inspiration in our modern co-working spaces and offer your guests the luxury of staying in our elegant guest rooms. From fitness to relaxation and beyond, a world of amenities awaits, crafted to elevate your lifestyle. Prestige Raintree Park, where your home offers more than just luxury. It's where your story unfolds.